Hello everyone, I'm here with a brand new project share. This I'm calling Just Kickin' It. It's a sneaker and mini album project. Super duper fun project, guys. I'm in love once again. Once again, I'm in love. Again, a sneaker project with a mini album inside. I started this whole footwear thing last year for Halloween when I did my boot, and it was super popular. So I decided I'm going to do a whole line of footwear. So my next one in the series is this fabulous sneaker. I have to say that it is most certainly modeled after a very popular sneaker that I'm sure you are all familiar with. So I want to put that out there right now. This is not something I designed. It is modeled after a very popular sneaker. All of the templates that you receive in the tutorial are mine, of course, but this is clearly a super duper popular sneaker out there. So I take you through the process, guys, step by step. You get your templates, you get all of the steps to do it in the tutorial. Lots of pictures. You'll be able to put this together in no time, I promise, once you cut your templates out. Really fun project. The design possibilities in terms of themes are just limitless on this one. You can do a baby sneaker, baby girl, baby boy, a sports theme, teens. I mean, you name it, you can do it for this one. Just really cute. The really fun thing about this project is that it's still a memory keeper. You can still put your pictures in here. Here, what I did was a ring bound album. Let's put that like that so you can see it still. I did a ring bound album with these calendar pockets. These are by Basic Gray. All right, they're a lot larger. They fit into one of their binder ring notebooks, but I altered them so they can work back with the sneaker. For those of you who are in my Kit Club, this is the June Kit Club project. You get everything that you see here, including the fabulous whistle along with the watch. All right, guys, if you are not in my Kit Club, don't worry. You can still pick up this tutorial. All right, and I will link you all down below so you can have easy access to that. I also finished it off with these darling price cards here, these price tags here. Just really cute. These are real laces. So in the tutorial, guys, I give you the size of the laces that you need for this particular sneaker and all the good stuff that you need, all of your supplies. So this is the girl version with the butterflies. This is a Studio Calico paper. It's from their paper pad called LemonLush. And let me show you what it looks like very quickly. All right, so this is what I use for the girl, Studio Calico LemonLush. And for the boy, which is this one right here, all right, this one's super cute on the boy. You can do just use those pattern papers, guys, that you probably didn't know what to do. You can create an amazing, amazing sneaker. So for the boy, we've got Wanderlust right here, which is gorgeous. Beautiful patterns. Just, I love everything that we got going on here in terms of sneaker possibilities. So lots of fun. And again, this is a Basic Gray product and it's their pocket pages. I think this is part of their capture collection. But there's a supply list in the tutorial for everything that I used here. Some more fun Studio Calico items like these super shiny cameras and just a bunch of fun stuff in these kits. So the mini album goes right into the sneaker. So we got a little bit of a novelty type of project here, but still continuing on with the memory keeping aspect, which is to hold our photographs and unique gift ideas. So this is a really, really fun project. It comes together super easily, I promise. Once you cut out your templates, you're good to go. That's the only important part here. You cut out your templates properly, and I take you through the assembly in the tutorial. Again, super fun. I can't wait to see what you guys could do with this sneaker in terms of your designs. How wonderful would it be to make this out of canvas? And for all of you mixed media lovers out there, you can do up your own style. I'm thinking Ed Harding here, guys. the tattoo artist, that type of vibe would look gorgeous. So for those of you who are artists, I would love to see you make this out of canvas and do it up. Do it up. That would be a lot of fun. So this is the Just Kicking It project. And this is available on my website right now. Again, I will link you all down below. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time.